Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth match in round 3 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Emmanuel Christian Academy from St. Andrew and Meadowbrook Prep, also from St. Andrew. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Emmanuel Christian Academy won. They decided that Meadowbrook Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Indicator clock, Meadowbrook, we begin with Bible knowledge. The story of David and Goliath is first introduced in which book of the Bible?
1 Samuel. 1 Samuel.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, Emmanuel. Samson is first introduced in which book of the Bible?
Samson? 1 Samuel. 1 Samuel.
Incorrect. Judges. Meadowbrook, science. Sound waves travel fastest through solids and slowest through what state of matter?
Yes.
Correct. Emmanuel, Christian Academy, science. What is unable to travel through a vacuum?
Sound. Sound.
Correct. Meadowbrook, international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Angela Merkel.
Incorrect. Charlene Cartwright Robinson, Premier of Turks and Caicos. International affairs to you, Emmanuel. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Victor Banks.
Incorrect. Alden McLaughlin, Premier of the Cayman Islands. Meadowbrook, English language. According to the proverb, what does a stitch in time save?
9. 9.
Correct. English language to you, Emmanuel. According to the proverb, how do still waters run?
Deep. Deep.
Correct. Meadowbrook, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
The Tooth Fairy.
Incorrect. Mama Cosma. Television to you, Emmanuel. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Dr. Brown.
Incorrect. Dr. Rip Studwell. Meadowbrook, general knowledge. What is the deepest of all oceans?
Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Correct. General knowledge to you, Emmanuel. What is the shallowest of all oceans?
Indian,
Southern Ocean.
Incorrect. The Arctic Ocean. Meadowbrook, social studies. Noranda is a company involved in which industry in Jamaica?
Bauxite.
Correct. Emmanuel, social studies. Sutherland Global Services is a company involved in which industry in Jamaica?
Manufacturing.
Incorrect. The BPO sector or business processing outsourcing. Meadowbrook, music. Which is the highest male voice in a typical choir?
Contratenor.
Incorrect. Alto. Music to you, Emmanuel. Mezzo-soprano lies between contralto and which other female voice?
Tenor.
Incorrect. Soprano. Meadowbrook, mathematics. The area of a square is 30.25 centimeters squared. What is its perimeter?
Something. 10 centimeters.
The incorrect answer came first. It's 22 centimeters. Mathematics. To Emmanuel. The perimeter of a square is 34 centimeters. What is its area?
Yes. The answer is 34.
The question passes to Meadowbrook. Would you like to answer?
No.
It's 72.25 centimeters squared. Still with you, Meadowbrook. Sports, this is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this former Australian cricket captain.
Steve Waugh. Steve Waugh.
Correct. Emmanuel, sports, this is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this former Australian spin bowler.
Santuki.
Incorrect. Shane Warner. And that is the end of section... Shane Warren, I apologize. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read: Emmanuel Christian Academy on 2 and Meadowbrook Prep on 6. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, get your day off to a healthy start. Eating breakfast kickstarts the body and makes it easier to maintain lasting energy throughout the day. Stay with us. This match in the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.